Imagine waking up one day and realizing that the most powerful technology on the planet, the kind of technology that used to sit behind the locked doors of trillion-dollar companies, is no longer controlled by them at all. Instead, literally anyone, from a curious student in a tiny dorm room to a hobbyist experimenting late at night, to a solo developer with nothing but a laptop and determination, can download it, improve it, customize it, and build something that could realistically compete with Google, OpenAI, Meta, or Microsoft. This isn't some distant sci-fi scenario or a prediction about the next decade. It's happening right now in front of us. And it's the very reason big tech is more scared than they've ever been. Today, we're diving deep into why open source AI is shaking the foundations of the entire tech industry, why giant corporations are silently panicking even if they pretend everything is under control, and how this unstoppable shift is about to redefine innovation, ownership, and global technological power. So let's jump into it. First, what exactly is open source AI, and why does it matter this much? Back in early 2023, the AI world was dominated by secretive, locked-down models like GPT-4 and Google's Palm systems, guarded like nuclear launch codes, accessible only to companies with billions in resources. But then Meta accidentally leaked their Llama model, and that single mistake changed the course of AI history overnight. Developers, researchers, and enthusiasts across the world downloaded the model, tweaked it, trained it, remixed it, and within mere weeks created versions nearly as good as the models built by trillion-dollar empires. It felt like the early internet boom or the birth of smartphones, a sudden shift that rewired everything. Big tech instantly felt the shockwave because open source AI meant anyone, anywhere, could build tools, chatbots, agents, and entire apps without needing huge budgets, GPU farms, or corporate approval. It was like handing the entire world the blueprint to build a Ferrari for free. Reason number 1. Open source moves much faster than big tech ever could. While closed companies move slowly through meetings, internal reviews, and corporate limitations, the open source world moves at lightning speed, thousands of people collaborating, experimenting, and improving models simultaneously. No single company can outpace the collective power of global innovation. Reason number 2. Open source destroys big tech's pricing power. When powerful AI becomes free or nearly free, people stop asking, which company should I subscribe to? And start asking, why am I paying at all? Just like Linux challenged the dominance of Windows, open source AI threatens the profit engines of big tech. Reason number 3. Big tech loses control of the AI safety narrative. They claim open source is dangerous, but many experts believe the real fear is losing control, losing the ability to decide who can innovate and what people can build. Reason number 4. Open source lets tiny teams challenge billion-dollar giants. What once required massive funding now requires talent, creativity, and a handful of motivated developers. We've seen it before with apps like Instagram and WhatsApp. Now imagine that level of disruption powered by AI. Reason number 5. Open source accelerates innovation far beyond corporate boundaries. Developers are creating personalized models, privacy-first systems, creative tools, reasoning engines, task automation agents, and more things that big companies would take years to release. Reason number 6. Open source threatens the future of closed model giants. Google's leaked memo admitting, "We have no moat, and neither does OpenAI," says it all. Open source innovation is too fast, too broad, and too unstoppable for any one company to contain. Yet here's the twist that makes all of this even more interesting. Big tech secretly relies on open source AI. Meta uses it to drive adoption. Google uses it for rapid experimentation. Apple integrates open source inside its products without announcing it. Amazon uses it for internal systems. They want the innovation, they just don't want the competition. So what does all of this mean for the future? It means AI won't be owned by a tiny handful of corporations anymore. It will be decentralized, democratized, and available to everyone. It means the next breakthrough in AI might not come from Silicon Valley. It might come from a teenager, a professor, a startup, or a random developer anywhere in the world. It means big tech can no longer control the direction of AI, the rules of AI, or the narrative around AI. They can't stop the open source movement because once technology is released into the wild, it's impossible to pull it back. Big tech isn't scared because open source AI is dangerous. They're scared because it's powerful, free, widely accessible, and capable of shifting control away from corporations and back into the hands of creators, engineers, dreamers, and everyday people. And that future isn't coming, it has already arrived. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Will open source AI take over? Or will big tech eventually push back hard enough to stop it? Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.